Just a quick project update. Getting through drywall here with hung, taped, and textured this kitchen. And move forward to our trim carpentry, as you can see here. Getting our upper cabinet set in place, followed by the base cabinets. We will also be adding new casing and baseboards to this home as well on the first floor. Here they are working on the kitchen and dining room area. Here's our guy from Ankeny Kitchen and Bath doing our countertop templates. And here is the casing and baseboards completed and cabinets installed. And after this point here in the project, we will move forward with paint. And after paint, we will jump to flooring. After flooring, we'll jump to second trim, getting base shoe installed around the perimeter of the home. Final touch-ups. And this project will be very close to being done. We've got our little bathroom, 5x4, living room here in the back. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for the next part.